remember when all the lilies would be pushed way up here. Maybe that wind won't push us as fast down there, but we won't have to fight it too bad with the trolling motor. Huh? Well, we throwing fast moving bait, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Oh, I hate when it does that stupid look at it as good. Oh, there's one. I turned the camera off instead of on. Not too shabby on that one. That was it. He ambushed and ran. It just kept on going. I don't know what the hell it was. Water's a little dingy looking, but it's clear at the same time. That pollen. That one's a little smaller, but it's a fishy. Little one. Little bitty. He wasn't much longer than the damn.
I knew he had it.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a pricey one.
Boy, if I don't have my damn camera on, I'm gonna be so pissed. That's a good one. Look at him. Oh, oh, he's on. He's right there. You see him? You don't see him right there? He is trying to go down.
Dang.
He's a nice one. Wonder if I could boat flip him. Watch out, JP. I mean, he stuck it. Huh?
Hell, that boat's looking bigger than that for.
Let me see that bit. Finally got something decent. Nice little thing.
Yep.
Compared to what I've been getting, absolutely nothing.
That was cold.
I mean, he popped.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Hold on.
Oh, no, don't force him. Hold tension. Hold tension. Hold tension.
I'm going to him. Just
Hold tension. That's how you're gonna lose him. Just hold tension on him.
Just hold tension. Here, champ, you want to get him or you want me to?
I'll grab him. Hold tension. Hold tension. Just keep reeling with us. Oh, that's a nice one. Don't move. Stop. Oh. Hold him up. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Reel me. Reel me. Reel me. Don't, okay, hold. What you got? Oh, that's a nice one. You were panicking, boy.
Yeah, when he took it, it like jerked the rod out of my hand.
Well, he was all up in that tree.
Told y'all there's a nice one right there.
I got him. He ain't going nowhere. Hey, she's still got eggs in her.
Ooh.
You see it? See it, Scott?
Alright, you're gonna have to get a picture of this.
She's a fatty. Look where she got to come across that tree. You want me to turn my camera on?
It's already on, dum-dum.
Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let me get a good picture. Two hand. Hold on like that. Let me get a good picture of your fish. That's a nice one. A little fat sucker. Alright. Let her go.
Dude, is that a bone?
Don't mess with her. Don't mess with her. She tore herself up. You gotta let her heal. There she goes. She's going right back over there. She got a bed or something around here.
Oh, she took one.
You got him. Let me get up there. Oh.
Like, come off. I knew I put too much pressure on him.
I think he's still on there. I don't know, he might have got off. I think he got off. Yep. He wasn't that big, but he come off that little stick. He come flying. As soon as I got out of them little lilies into the big lilies, I seen him coming, and he nailed it. Yeah, we wanted to be twins. We twinsies.
Who?
Oh crap.
Just about been twins.
I got a suggestion. I bird nested up in the lilies. So why don't you just hammer around and go about 400 yards out past us, please? Yeah, it went in about. Ain't bigger than that.
That's done.
Motherfucker. Big fucking one of that alligator. Ooh. You see that?
Good Lord, yeah.
Spooky one.
Oh,
Man, I was right.
you got him. He's home, but you're gonna go get him. I see him. Don't you throw at that alligator.
Son of a bitch. Somebody turn that big motor up.
Turn the motor up. Turn the motor up. Trim the motor up. Oh, that's hot. Look at him on top, just hung. A little video thing.
Oh, okay.
Look at that gator fitting to go down.
I ain't even got no pressure on it.
Alright. Now that's an ear.
He ain't too bad.
Oh, pretty decent. I thought it was smaller that the way it was floating up.
I did too.
I want to fish up in here. It's shallow, but I want to fish. Mm-hmm. It didn't feel like he was on.
Leave pressure to him. Leave pressure to him.
I don't know if you're still on now, but
He's way the hell down there.
you got to my break, no. He got off. Damn! I threw it to that tree, and dude, he nailed the piss out of it.
Come on out there, boy. My fucking rod, dude.
You got one?
Yep.
There you have. You got him. See?
Hold on a minute.
Just hold tension on it. That's a medium heavy. It'll hold it. That ain't no Mickey Mouse rod. That ain't a bad one.
Got him.
Yeah, I'll get him. Keep reeling. He's reeling. He's hooked on the stick. He's fixing to get off. A little bitty thing, but you see how you was bouncing off these trees, off these little sticks, and they can't stand that. Me and your daddy might not be the best fishermen. When it comes to that damn weightless paddle tail and fluke, we done figured out the crazier the better.
Come on.
It's not a bad one. Running 4 pounds of lilies and 1.5 pounds of fish. That's a decent one for that little area right there. We won't never catch them that big right there. Last cast, 4 pounder. I'm calling my shot. Well, that's all she wrote.